Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Mogala. It's full time in the Mbombela Stadium. Betway Premiership clash between Golden Arrows and TS Galaxy. A game as of to which has seen TS Galaxy prevailing by 2-0. And now Rodman Lana, the boxer, TS Galaxy boxer, Mark Tyson. Yawisa Randota. It's one man show. Shaili Arrows, 2 pass, 2 knockouts. Asabe Rodman Yam. Rodman Yam came with Bonanjan outside.
I came with Bonanjan. It can be balanced. So ish. Jobona now which I see Zamile and Arrows.
Yeah.
Must not chromatini so yes tula. So we came here 2 half. So then we pay back cham. No kumbulo kali plek lebul.
Yeah.
Sidlale nayo. 1-1 extra time 2-1. Namhlanje sidlale at least sidlale in 90 minutes sawathi khona kuwina nge 2-1. So nema chances watholile but yeah ngibonga lokuthi bafana bathumisela bayibonile ukuthi le win le ngokuya phambili it's a moral booster against Polokwane City against Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Sure.
Mphatho wami kusathi kuba phambili asibuke nehle ya 7 December game. Le kunalkhosi la nduna yami. Nduna yami you believe ukuthi into khona kuyiphinza le magic lena yende Moses Mabhida lapha. Lesikhathi nibabhabalalisa lapha ngeNetbank. Mara into khona kuyiphinza ngelo tukwe league.
Hayi angibelieve bafu siyathemba ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs.
Knockout uthatha ke balibone vele. They won iphansi.
Ngeke balibone 1.
They won.
Yeah, 1.
2-0
siyayishaya iKaizer Chiefs eMbombela Stadium.
Nayo.
So lengakusho ukuthi ama support eChess Galaxy akaphume ngetinkani mhla ka7 igame ugcina ye2025 to support team yasekhaya iChess Galaxy. Sithandza kakhulu thank you siyadumuza.
Nayo ke le.
Sure.
Hey, Rodman Yam thank you.